Hello guys! Another ride, another day. So for today's video, lilipad tayo pa Siargao Island. Maraming nagtatanong kung magkano nga ba nagastos namin sa trip na to. So if may plan kang pumunta, para sa'yo ang video to. Tara, gala tayo! So from House sa Binyan, nagbook kami ng Grab for only 250 pesos going to Robinson Santa Rosa. Kasi meron dong P2P UB Express bus going to NAIA Terminal 1, 2, and 3. So, ang pamasahe naman is 300 each. From there, sumakay naman kami ng Genesis bus going to Clark and ang fare is 400 each. So, almost 2 hours din ang biyahe namin. So, dito kumuha na kami ng boarding pass. Siyempre, sa pag-aantay, nagutom kami. So, kumain muna kami sa 7-Eleven and 590 na gastos namin. 4:10 a.m. nag-boarding kami and then 5:32 a.m. ang departure namin. So almost 2 hours ang biyahe namin going to Siargao. And we arrived around 7:37 a.m. Thank God, safe kaming nakarating and mapapansin nyo, super ganda talaga ng weather that day. Around 8 a.m., umalis yung van from Siargao Airport going to General Luna. So, it takes 45 minutes and ang pamasahe po dito guys is 300 pesos each. So, we arrive at Sir Asing accommodation around 8:48 a.m. And very accommodating sila guys. Pumayag na mag-early check-in without any additional cost. And very convenient guys kasi malapit sila sa lahat ng establishment located at Purok 2, General Luna. Sa Airbnb nga pala namin sila na-book. Dahil wala pang tulog ang lola nyo, syempre nagpahinga po muna kami and around 2 p.m. nag-lunch kami. So, markila kami ng motor for only 400 a day. Dito na rin kami dumiretso sa Nanay Feli's Seafoods and Restaurant na recommend ng aming friend. We ordered seafoods Boodle Fight for only 999. I really love their mango shake guys. Try nyo rin yan. And super sarap talaga ng food nila dito. And of course, ang ating bill is 1,329 pesos. After that, nagpunta rin kami sa Coco Frio. So, we order fresh buko regular for 75 pesos and super special for 190 pesos. Total, 265. So, try nyo rin dito guys. Masarap din. So, dumaretso na rin kami sa Afam Bridge around 5 to 5:30 p.m. guys. And to check all their street foods. Super sarap, may iba't ibang klase like Mexican food and Filipino food. And syempre, dahil Afam Bridge, makikita nyo napakadaming tao at foreigner dito. So, bumili na rin kami ng mango sticky rice for 100 pesos. Nakita rin namin yung Halika Gelato ice cream na to kasi sobrang dami niyang store dito sa Siargao. This is 200 pesos. Pwedeng mixed flavor. So, ang pinili namin dito is salted caramel and chocolate. Sarap. Sarap itong caramel. Next food is Mr. Mexicanto. Dito na rin kami bumili ng beef mushroom for 150 pesos plus mineral water na 50. So, total 200 pesos. Masarap din to guys. This fresh fruits is 100 per pack. After dinner, naglakad-lakad muna kami just to check the place. And recommend din ng friend namin itong Strum Bar. Malapit lang din siya sa aming accommodation. For our second day, pumunta kami sa Canijugan Peak. Medyo niligaw lang kami dito guys, kaya dumaretso na lang kami to Maasin Coconut Trees View Deck. So dito, nagbigay kami ng 100 tips sa human drone. And bumili na rin kami dito ng Pande Coco for 15 pesos each. Super sarap nito guys. This place naman is Trogon's Perch sa Pacifico ng Norte ng Siargao. And it will take 1 hour and 15 minutes pag nakamotor kayo. Medyo pricey yung kanilang food pero guys, sulit. May entrance na 500 per head pero consumable naman. Umabot yung bill namin for 4,400 and credit card yung ginamit namin. For few kilometers, this is $1 Million View. Nag-rest muna kami for a while and around 3 p.m. nagmerienda naman kami dito sa Isla Turon Deluxe. Medyo pricey lang siya pero sulit din naman. Masarap siya guys, try nyo. So total bill namin is 398. Next is Cloud9 for 100 pesos naman ang kanilang entrance. So dito guys, wala pa masyadong tao. Around 4:30 to 5 p.m. na rin to. Pero nung padilim na, saka dumadami yung tao dito sa Cloud9. Of course, for the second time, dumaan na naman kami at tumambay saglit dito sa Afam Bridge. Kasi guys, nakikita nyo, ang ganda talaga ng sunset. For our dinner dito sa Emelia's Resto Bar Seafoods Paluto, and ang bill naman namin dito is 1,860. Super sarap, try nyo din, puro seafoods guys. 11 p.m. dito naman kami sa Via Alegre Gastropub. So, ang bill namin is 900 pesos with tip dito sa banda. Ang galing nila guys. Sobra. So, for our third day, it's my birthday, 20th birthday ko guys. Joke lang. And of course, nag-Highland Hopping kami for 1,500 each. Ang first destination namin is Guyam Island. So, binigyan kami ng 1 hour to stay. And after that, sa snorkeling area naman kami nagpunta. So, binigyan nila kami ng almost 45 minutes para mag-swimming. And for the third destination, here we are at Naked Island. Super ganda rin ito, guys. And for our last destination, Daco Island. Dito, ayan, kinantahan nila ako ng happy birthday. And we stay here for 2 hours. Nag-swimming kami, kumain. Super ganda ng island na to. Promise, babalik talaga kami. And for our dinner dito sa Sev, guys, ito kailangan nyo magpa-reserve 3 to 5 days. Kasi ang haba ng pila at ang daming tao.
Happy birthday!
Ang sarap ng food dito and more on kinalaw yung kanilang mga dishes. Try nyo guys. And for our last night, dito ulit kami sa Stram Bar. Marami pa pala kami ditong other expenses like souvenirs. And that's it guys for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. So ayan, nabigyan ko na kayo ng idea kung magkano ba nagastos namin sa Siargao. Till next time, bye!